और मैं जैसे ही हाथ डाला अंदर, यू नो, लाइक गॉड हैड गिफ्टेड मी विद गुड हेयर, सो और एक आवाज़ आई, भुस।
एक दिन पापा के घर में पूछते हैं चुपके से कि ना बेटा तू गलत काम तो नहीं कर रहा है ना, बोलकर ये वीट का काम ये सब नहीं करने का बेटा। फिर उनको समझाना पड़ा मुझे।
तो तभी मैं सोने के लिए गया रूम में, एंड 8 o'clock ही इज़ नॉकिंग एट माई डोर, एंड आई एम लाइक सुबह सुबह अब क्या हो गया भाई। तो मैं डोर खोला, ही स्टैंडिंग विद न्यूज़ पेपर होल्डिंग, एंड इज़ लाइक ये तू है, आई कैन जस्ट लेटिंग
समझ गए
मेरी फेवरेट प्रियंका चोपड़ा है।
पर वो इंडिया में नहीं है ना।
अरे तुम जुगाड़ कर लोगे तुम।
अच्छा देखा ऐसे रहता है।
And nothing is easy, nothing comes overnight. It's a journey that it takes a lot of efforts, a lot of sweat and blood, and also at the same time a lot of dedication and consistency. It's only then slowly things will happen.
जैसे से बोलते हैं लाइक कि रास्ते पे चलते हो कारवा खुद ब खुद जुड़ता जाएगा।
So okay, let me keep it okay. People who are watching, listen to it. Okay, this is coming from Hyderabad Food Diaries. Okay. For me, vegetarian biryani is better than chicken biryani.
Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome to the episode of In Conversation with Friends. Today I'm here with two of my best friends and we are here sitting with two eminent personalities of Hyderabad, one representing the food culture and other representing the meme culture and media culture. So today we have Mr. Zubair Ali and Ankit Moore, co-founder and COO of RVCJ Media. Welcome bhai, welcome on the show.
Thank you so much for that.
Thank you so much for
Thank you.
giving us your time.
And I believe this got pulled off within like 36 hours. Thank you so much for your time and your confirmations. This was much awaited video.
Oh, dream
come true, dream
It's a
come true.
having you both sitting
Yes.
in front of us.
We are
कब से की
also very happy to be here. I mean, it's very rare that people from different fields
True.
come together. So I
And
think this was one
fastest growing
platform.
fields.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
food industry and media and meme industry.
True.
Okay, so Ankit bhai, जैसा RVCJ page was started with a Facebook page, right? Tell us about your journey, how it started with a Facebook page and now it has grown into multiple, verticals. So tell us that initial journey.
It was started in 2010, where we didn't have touch phone, right? We had only text messages, we have keypads. So we started with SMS, like forwarding jokes and all. So we started with that initiative कि like we had to make like people entertain करना है लोगों को, बस उसके लिए that was the main motive. So we started with that and got viral. Like people started loving the jokes and all. And 1 year, in the first year, we got 16,000 people over there. And then in 2011, I started seeing ki like there was this pictures which started coming. There were like US people. There was 9gag which started like posting pictures. Then in India there were like very less people who started doing it. So I had completed my graphic designer as a course. So मैंने सोचा like I can make meme also. I can do that and bring that in India. So I started like searching for it, like searching for content and all. I started making content and all. तो काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आने लगा लोगों से और एक ही साल में 18,000 से 6 लाख हो गया. And we became the highest grosser, like number of followers on Indian platform in India itself. तो उसके बाद फिर बढ़ता ही गया 12 लाख 80 लाख ऐसा बढ़ गया. फिर अभी like फिर 1.5 करोड़ like on FB only. And then we started pulling that platform into other Instagram, Twitter and all. So now we have more than 25 platforms and we have a reach of 35 million plus followers.
I believe you recently completed 10 years last
Yeah.
October. 10 years of
Yeah,
RVCJ.
10 years. Like we are one of the oldest people on Facebook, and we started that journey, and it's 10 years. Like I guess no one on Facebook has completed this yet.
10 साल, long time.
10
And
साल.
Zubair, this is for
लाजवाब.
you. We all know who is Mr. HFT, Zubair Ali, but how did it all got started? कहाँ से ये शुरू हुआ?
So, I'm a hotel management graduate, and while I was doing my hotel management graduate, I was working with one of the star properties in Hyderabad. So, we have a 6 months of training period. So, you're supposed to work in, 6 different departments for one month. And, I was made to work in kitchen, one of those departments which I hated the most. And yes, I never liked kitchen. I'm someone who loves standing in front, front office my kind of department. You meet people, you interact with them, know their stories, greet them. That was my kind of a job. But you know, the moment they kept me in kitchen, I was like, "ये कहाँ ला लिए यार?" And day one, you know, I started hating it. You know, the whole environment, the way, you know, that hectic things going on, that timetable, crazy it was. And one day, what happened was, you know, I was crying. They asked me to work in tandoor, and at that time I was a college student, you know. And I was like, ठीक है चलो, you know, तंदूर में काम करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं, आसानी होगा, क्या करना है, बस ठहर के, you know, रोटी निकालना है. And I stood there, और मैं जैसे ही हाथ डाला अंदर, you know, like God had gifted me with good hair. So, और एक आवाज़ आई, buzz. I was like, damn, what is happening? And then I started crying. छोटा बच्चा था कॉलेज का तब में, and I went to the executive chairman and told him कि भाई मुझे काम करना नहीं है यहाँ पे. You know, this is not the kind of environment that I'm looking at. And then he was like, why are you crying? तू जा, एक break ले 2 घंटे का, then come back again. So while going, what he did, he was like, Zubir एक काम कर, ये list है vegetables का, तू ले लेके आ, and then you go leave बोल के बुलाओ. So I went, got all the vegetables, gave it to him, and then I came back after like, you know, 1.5 hours. And then I realized those, you know, those simple vegetables, you know, carrots, capsicum, onions and everything, were transformed into a beautiful dish. You know, that simple thing was an inspiration for me. You know, that was like, oh my God, how did he do this? And it's then I started realizing that, okay, you know, these people are working in hotel industry for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. They have experience, you know, how to do, what not to do. They have equipments, they have knowledge. But, you know, what about people who are cooking from home, you know, home chefs? That time I think the term home chefs was also not there, and hardly people knew about these people. So I wanted to just go out, you know, meet these kind of people जो मतलब सालों से खाना बना रहे हैं, you know, who have been working from ages. They have been gifted that, you know, from their great grandfathers, great grandmothers and all. तो उनके पास knowledge है, but उनके पास platform नहीं था. So I just wanted to go meet them, know their stories. That's how it started. And then, you know, I ventured out after my graduation. मैं बस बाहर चले गया. You know, day one, I just wanted to go meet people and everything. So my very first place, you know, in 2010 was this shawarma place. You know, that time shawarma, Hyderabad had no idea about it. So there's one place in Malepalli called Feel in Saudi. So, you know, I think that's one of the oldest places in Hyderabad. So I went, you know, that dish was very new to me that time. So I met the owner, I spoke to him. That's how the journey started, and then slowly, you know, a lot of applications came into the market. Zomato came, we started writing on that. As you said, you know, Facebook again came. We started promoting places on Facebook. And then Instagram came. That changed the whole game altogether for everyone. You know, I started Hyderabad Food Diaries then. And then things are happening.
Yeah, somehow your both industries are connected, interlinked, because you are dependent on social media and same your industry is
I
dependent
believe
on
आप
social
लोग
media.
started using the power of social media when it was known to no one. अभी जब ना अब सबको मालूम पड़ रहा है कि how powerful tool it is, you both started at that point जब लोगों को नहीं मालूम था कि like this would be a very good marketplace.
Exactly. So I would put it in a very simple way that, you know, when we started, we had no idea about it. But we wanted to do something on social media, you know, let people, let it be, you know, spending little time on social media by providing knowledge to them, or little awareness. That's what we wanted to do. And then, you know, it is all about consistency. The moment, you know, you start doing it, then you become automatically, you know, big in the social media.
And I believe, Ankit Mo, you have quit your job to like, you know, focus on RVCJ. So
Yes,
tell us
yes,
about
yes.
that.
So
Even what I did, I think.
yeah,
So
No,
even you were doing a job. Okay, cool. Let's
So,
hear your story first.
I got a job in PepsiCo and I was placed in Gulbarga. So I had to like work. I worked there for 7 months. वहाँ पर काम करते करते साथ like the thing was like I used to wake up in the morning at 8 a.m. 8 a.m. से like रात 8 बजे तक like काम करो, फिर रात में 8 बजे से फिर 4 बजे तक सुबह काम करो RVCJ का, उसका 4 घंटे सो, फिर 4 घंटे वापस लग जाओ. So that was the whole thing which I used to do. Then उसके बाद फिर दिसंबर में ऐसा टाइम आया कि like I had to choose between two. I had to choose between Bangalore, I have to choose between Coorg. I was placed in Coorg. प्रमोशन मिल रहा था वहाँ पर, तो Coorg जा सकता था या फिर अपने घर आ सकता था और खुद की कंपनी चालू कर सकता था. तो मैंने सोचा छोड़ते हैं, अब इसमें ही देखते हैं, अब कुछ इसमें इतना स्कोप है तो चलो निकलते. फिर घर आ गया, मैं छोड़ दिया मैंने, वो छोड़ के घर आ गया. उसके बाद फिर 2 महीने तो कुछ नहीं था, पैसा वैसा कुछ नहीं कुछ नहीं. घर पे फिर मम्मा पापा पूछने लग गए कि घर पे बैठे बैठे क्या करेगा, जॉब कर ले, कहीं तो अप्लाई कर बोलकर. फिर थोड़ा धीरे धीरे पैसा आने लगे तो वो उनको फिर डर लगने लग गया, घर पे बैठे बैठे पैसे कहाँ से आ रहे हैं बच्चे को एक दिन पापा आके घर में पूछते हैं चुपके से कि ना बेटा तू गलत काम तो नहीं कर रहा है ना बोलकर ये वीट का काम ये सब नहीं करने का बेटा। फिर उनको समझाना पड़ा मुझे कि लाइक आई एम नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग बैड, आई एम लाइक डूइंग ए वर्क विच इज़ ऑनलाइन का होता है, आपको समझेगा थोड़ा धीरे धीरे कर।
अभी दे अंडरस्टैंड नाउ?
Now means in last 4 years people have started saying them all about social media. They have all means उनको बताने लग गए कि लाइक आपका बेटा ये करता है, आपका बेटा इससे मिला है, आपका बेटा इससे मिला, ताकि उनको पता चल गया कि बेटा कहीं ना कहीं कुछ अच्छा कर ही रहा है बोलकर, कुछ गलत काम नहीं कर रहा है।
एंड यू भाई आप भी
Yeah,
पहले आप भी जॉब
If
करते
I'm not wrong, Zubair bhai, you used to post video every single day. Your early period of hustle at that point, every single
on
day.
19th Feb 2017 it all started, I believe.
Yeah, I think that was, I would say, on Instagram again. But personally, I've been blogging from 10 years now. I started in 2010. So it's been quite a long journey. Yes, even I was into a job. Again, after my graduation, I got into retail. I used to handle a lot of, high street and luxury brands in Hyderabad. तो वहाँ पे कर रहा था जॉब, बट देन वो सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं था, आफ्टर वर्किंग फॉर लाइक 4, 5, 6 years. Every day morning whenever you get up, you have something or the other going in your head कि अरे मुझे रिपोर्ट बनाना है, मुझे कॉल मीटिंग पे जाना है, मुझे वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस पे जाना है, तो that peace of mind was not there. So at one of those very odd days, I was sitting at my work, I took out my phone, मैंने मेल ओपन किया और रेजिग्नेशन डाल दिया। मैं बोला मुझे काम ही करना नहीं है। So I was like, I wanted time for myself, man. मुझे था कि भाई थोड़ा वक्त मैं खुद ही से खुद के लिए बिताऊं, because ऐसा हो रहा था, the moment you get onto the job and you starting from home at 9 o'clock in the morning and you're coming back again at 11:30, 12 in the night, तो आपके लिए टाइम था ही नहीं कुछ, तो मुझे वो नहीं करना था। I was not happy. So it's then I decided let's leave this, let's not work, let's do something on a phone. But मुझे आइडिया पता नहीं था कि भाई क्या करना है। So one fine day, a few of a group of friends were sitting, and then वो लोग बॉम्बे से थे, and one pretty lady from the gang says that Zubair, बिरयानी कहाँ मिलेगी हैदराबाद में? And I was little taken back. I was like, भाई मतलब ये बंदी 10 दिन से हैदराबाद में है, and on 11th day she asks me कि भाई बिरयानी कहाँ मिलेगी? So I asked her कि भाई तू और कहीं नहीं गई क्या हैदराबाद में? She was like, है क्या यहाँ पे? She said. And that
triggered.
I was like, damn, did she just say that? And I was like, नहीं, अब तो कुछ करना पड़ेगा. So it's then I decided, let's open a platform, wherein I would pass on information to the normal public, general public of Hyderabad, and also, I wanted to take my page at a level where, even national, national bloggers are also looking at it. So that's where it started, and then, again, as, his parents also, were a bit skeptical about, अरे क्या कर रहा है बेटा, क्यों कर रहा है? So जब मैं start किया था, there were bigger things happening at my house. Dad तभी retire हो गए थे, and we shifted our house again. मेरा छोटा भाई जो he was only a week old on his job. So dad was panicking. He was like, अरे क्या कर रहा है, घर का बड़ा बेटा है, मतलब ऑफिस को नहीं जा रहा है, घर पे बैठा है, रूम में बैठा हुआ है, तो he never talks all these things to me.
फोन पे बैठा हुआ है ज़्यादातर।
हाँ, तो वो मम्मी को भी जा रहे हैं कि जाओ आपके नवाब साहब बैठे बात करके आओ। मम कम्स टू मी एंड शी इज लाइक, क्या कर रहा बेटा तू? मैं बोला मम्मी मैंने जॉब छोड़ दिया, नहीं करना है मेरे को। एंड शी इज लुकिंग एट मी, आई एम लुकिंग एट हर, दोनों के दूसरे को देख ले रहे हैं। मैं बोला नहीं करना है मेरे को। एंड देन आई टोल्ड हर कि टेंशन मत लो, आई विल डू समथिंग। मुझे आइडिया पता नहीं था क्या करना है, बट देन आई रियलाइज दैट सोशल मीडिया अगेन is such a powerful tool, it's such a powerful platform. If you utilize it in a right way, it can take you to heights. So that's where, when I started uploading content on Instagram, people started noticing it. Then, even big PR companies, marketing agencies, big brands started seeing it, they started collaborating with me. It's then even my family got to know, because they were like, initial stages, अरे क्या कर रहा है, क्यों कर रहा है, पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे, क्या कमाएगा? But then, there was one day, I was sleeping in my room, and dad has this habit, every day morning he gets up, he needs a chai and coffee and newspaper to read. Or, I'm a night person, I sleep at around 6:37 in the morning. तो तभी मैं सोने के लिए गया रूम में, and 8 o'clock he is, knocking at my door. And I'm like, सुबह अब क्या हो गया भाई? तो मैं डोर खोला, he's standing with a newspaper holding, and he's like, ये तू है?
Oh,
he asked.
Goosebumps.
So, there was a big article on me and Hyderabad Food Diaries in Deccan Chronicle.
Right.
So I looked at it, I was like, हाँ मैं हूँ. And he's like, हाँ तू सो जा.
अब सो जा.
तो डोर बंद कर, I think that was the day After that, he never asked me कि भाई क्या कर रहा है तू क्यों कर रहा है. And other incident was not incident, a happy moment I would say. So I was being awarded the best social media influencer and the best food blogger in Hyderabad. 2 awards, not one. So I thought this is the right moment to let my parents know कि okay, I'm not the only one. There are also other people who are doing this. I wanted to let them know that this industry, the blogging industry or the social media industry is little different than what they had in their time. They had very conventional jobs. These are very unconventional jobs. So I wanted to let them understand that. So मैं उनको award ceremony के लिए लेके गया. And I was, dad is very much interested in politics and all. So there was this big politician, who was giving me that award. So that was the moment, he felt कि हाँ चलो मेरा बेटा कुछ कर रहा है. अगर इतना बड़ा politician आके award दे रहा है उसको, that means he is doing something in industry. So now he keeps hearing a lot कि भाई आपका बेटा TV पे आया, आपका बेटा newspaper में आया. He himself, on a surprise day, उठते हैं, पेपर खोलते हैं और मैं रहता हूँ उसमें. So that is, one confirmation, one confident I think all the parents needs. Then they will never ask you what are you doing.
So in general, for both of you, I have a question. So we see industries evolve every year. Like in 10 years, you see like cricket, Test has gone to T20 and everything. And you guys are one of the first in your industry. So how did you see your industry evolve, and how did you see your industry evolve?
For me, like when we started the industry, like when we started the meme culture, we knew कि like it will be going on. This will never stop. Now also like you will see videos also, but 10 years down the line, I know that memes will be there because people love seeing memes. Like nowadays, what's happening is even brands are getting into memes.
True.
Brands are also making
They want
memes.
creative memes.
हाँ, वो लोग भी memes बनाना
Viral
चाह रहे हैं.
बना
वो
दो
लोग भी
कुछ.
चाह रहे हैं कि like
उसकी
memes
तरफ
ही
से
बनाए.
market.
हाँ, ताकि because they know youth today like will only see memes and they'll relate to that more easily. So I know 5 years down the line, it will go on and evolving. Yes, we need to evolve ourselves because new things keep coming. Like when I started, text was there. We started the meme culture. Then now videos are coming and videos will go on. Along with that, memes will also be there. So both hand in hand, they both will go hand in hand. It will be there.
It was really different in our, in my blogging industry, especially food, I would say, because when we started, it was only, hardly on Instagram, especially, we were only around 3 or 4 bloggers, not more than that. So I personally believe that, every platform has a specific time period, जैसा फूड का शेल्फ टाइम होता है वैसा हर प्लेटफॉर्म का होता है. इफ यू सी दी पास्ट थिंग्स ऑल्सो लाइक पहले रेडिफ मेल हुआ करता था एंड देन केम याहू एंड देन केम ऑर्कुट एंड देन केम फेसबुक एंड इट इज़ नाउ इंस्टाग्राम विच इज़ रूलिंग. तो आई थिंक हर चीज़ का एक टाइम होता है. तो व्हेन आई वाज एट फेसबुक तो आई रियलाइज दैट कि भाई ये भी ख़त्म होगा. दैट क्रेजीनेस, दैट एडिक्शन विथ फेसबुक, पीपल विल स्लोली स्टार्ट लूजिंग इट. It's then Instagram came into the scene. So I wanted to do something on this platform because this was growing, and we cannot predict future, but we know what is gonna have. We'll have an idea about it. So what I did कि भाई चलो start करते हैं, देखते हैं how far it goes, and then I started. But again if you ask me how did the industry evolve, it's all about giving that little chance to upcoming bloggers, helping them with knowledge, helping them what it takes to be in the industry. And providing that help whenever they need is very much important. It's only then, the blogging industry grows, the community grows. That's how right now in Hyderabad, I would say there are more than 400 bloggers. I can write it and give it to you. Utne bloggers hai. So I think it goes on slowly.
I also believe pehle blogging was mainly on Zomato, like
Yes.
writing reviews. Now it has become more of Instagramming thing.
It has become, I don't know, fortunately or unfortunately, because the term blogging itself says that when you have a
Right.
blog, that means it's a website.
Yes.
So you're supposed to write a little big article, detailed about a detailed blog about food on the website and all. But then when Facebook came, it became little easy for people कि भाई उतना लिखना नहीं पड़ रहा है, pictures डालो, people are liking it, commenting it, sharing it. So people started uploading, and then came Instagram. So on Instagram, what happens is normally people don't read big posts and all.
Exactly.
Instagram is all about instant and visualization.
Exactly.
So the moment you see an Instagram profile, you'll be like, oh my god, क्या picture लिया है यार. You won't say, oh my god, कितना बड़ा लिखा है यार. There's a difference. So I think now people are trying to, or not trying to, people are actually comparing a blog to an Instagram handle or a page. So that thing, I think it's really difficult to control. Everyone is doing, the moment you meet a blogger or someone, he'll say कि हाँ मैं blogger हूँ. This is my page, and the moment I ask him what is your blog, he'll say so and so Instagram handle. So I
Got
think
it.
हो रहा है, चल रहा है, industry is evolving again. You can't, you know, stop all these
आप
things. So,
कौन सी साइड हो?
मैं बीच में हूँ.
I remember when I met him, he said he had to write 300 reviews. Then he got invites from the restaurants.
Yeah, so when we started, it was all about, you know, the knowledge that you had. Only then people will invite you to a session and all. So I got my very first, I think after writing around 280 reviews, it's then I got invited officially by a restaurant ki Zubair, please come down, you know, try our food and write about us on social media. When I say social media, that time it was all about Zomato and Facebook.
So by knowledge, what do you mean? Like खाना खा के इसमें ये है. It
Yeah.
feels like this.
So see, food is a very, you know, I would say, an intensive and, you know, extensive subject. So what happens is, you know, you're not only supposed to just click pictures, make reels or take videos. It is not blogging, you know. You at least need to have a little knowledge कि भाई cuisine क्या है, you know, what is the history about it, what are the ingredients going, at what temperature it is supposed to be served. It comes under which category of, you know, this thing. So you'll need to have little information. But again, you know, as I said, no one is perfect. Even I'm not perfect, you know. Food is something you will keep learning every single day. I was reading an article which said there is one dish which is invented every single day. Yes. So it is very difficult and very hard and impossible to, you know, have complete knowledge about food. But again, you should have those basic things, you know, set right for you, because that actually makes you a little different from other bloggers. तो वो थोड़ा सा information knowledge रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Well, if I talk about the meme industry, as I remember, आप बोले थे you started off from texting. आप मोबाइल से SMS भिजाते थे, and now when I see or when we look at the meme industry today, सिर्फ एक photo or just cropping out photo from anyone, and that's like a meme today.
Right. You just
Few-
need to like have a like caption or anything funny.
Funny caption and all. So, but we see RVCJ and all. It's still very traditional when it comes to memes and all.
Right.
Same traditional way में जा रहे हैं, not being very offensive to someone, trying to be on the good side. I believe things have got a little easy in both industries. Like meme भी बहुत आसान हो गया, taking a photo and just posting over there. And I believe now today as well, for being a food blogger, if you are a good photographer, then they also term themselves as a food blogger. But I believe बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा difference आया था उसमें. आप जब बोलते हो कि मैं food blogger हूँ, तो बहुत दूसरे चीज़ें भी उसमें आते हैं. एंड देन आप जब बोलते हो कि मैं एक मीम या मीडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करता हूँ, उसमें भी बहुत सारे दूसरे चीज़ें आते हैं. आई बिलीव दैट ऑल्सो.
Right. Like meme, like it's easy for people to say कि like memes are very easy. Like say picture click करो या फिर picture post करो. But what goes behind that is like you have to relate it to the people. Like
Person,
people should relate it, and people shouldn't get offensive. Like you shouldn't like hurt any sentiments, like religious sentiment हो या फिर dank नहीं करना है, like किसी को hurt नहीं करना है. It's just for entertainment. और फिर relate करो अपने means कोई भी surrounding से, school से या फिर कुछ भी ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक जो हो रहा है उससे रिलेट करो और बनाओ. ऐसा बनाओ कि लाइक लोग एंटरटेन हो, कोई भी देखे, कोई भी लाइक कोई भी एज का बंदा देखे एंटरटेन लगे. ऐसा ना लगे कि लाइक अरे ये क्यों बनाया बोल के इसने. तो देयर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ people, there are 3-4 people who come together to make a meme. Like एक बंदा जो बनाता है आइडिया, फिर उसके बाद फिर करेक्शन होता है, उसके बाद फिर जो क्वालिटी चेक होती है वो भी देखता है कि लाइक कुछ गलत ना हो मीम में. उसके बाद फिर RVCJ पे जाता है ताकि it goes smoothly without any issues.
Even though things have got easier, still education is important.
Yes.
You need to be educated what the industry is all about.
Yes.
One best thing about RVCJ is that they don't just promote straight mainstream memes. They also promote information also.
Informative memes and all.
See, that's what is important at the end of the day. You know, what are you as a blogger again, or you know, as an Instagram page or a personality or a public figure on Instagram, what are you trying to convey to your public, you know, your followers? What information or what awareness that you're spreading is
value
more
you're
important.
adding to them. Yeah, exactly. जैसा अभी भाई बोले थे, उनका जब न्यूज़पेपर में आया, that was one break for his family.
Right.
Something like that. आपके साथ क्या हुआ? Like where you could tell your parents that you're doing this.
Okay, like when my parents knew that कि like हाँ कुछ कर रहा है बोल के. So that was like back in 2013 when I was like doing my MBA, and it was Rajinikanth's birthday. It was 10th October. तो उससे पहले like the Deccan Chronicle team approached me and they asked me like एक interview लेना है आपका and all, like बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है आपका तो लेते हैं बोलकर. तो I started like I was very shy and I didn't know कि like क्या होता है ये. And she was like I'll come to your home and all, I'll do everything, you don't worry about. तो घर आए, आके पूरे टीम के साथ 3-4 लोग आए, इंटरव्यू लिया, फोटोज लिया. Like that was a new experience for me. Like
Yeah.
I always like dreamt about it कि like अरे एक्टर्स ऐसा करते होंगे, उनका ऐसा इंटरव्यू होता होगा बोलकर. So that was happening with me. So I was very shy and all everything. So that happened and everything. देन 10th अक्टूबर बर्थडे था रजनीकांत का, देन न्यूज़पेपर में आ गया था लाइक वो देखते लाइक एकदम सबके कॉल वॉल आने लग गए घर पे, एंड मम्मी लोगों को बताया मैंने, मीन्स तो मम्मा वाज लाइक अरे बेटा मेरा देख तेरी फोटो है बोल के। ऐसा लाइक शी वाज लाइक वेरी, और वो न्यूज़पेपर अभी तक माँ ने छुपा लाइक लगा के रखा है अपने
wow.
अलमारा में
That's-
अब अभी तक लाइक, एंड शी इज़ लाइक माई मॉम इज समवन हु एक्सप्रेसेस अ लॉट लाइक
Okay.
वो छुपा के नहीं रखती अपने
Yeah.
वो बोलते रहते लाइक अरे मेरा बेटा ये वो, सब पूरे मोहल्ले में पूरा पता है कि लाइक पूरे जो भी रिलेटिव आता है उनको बताया कि क्या है मेरा बेटा ये कर रहा है वो कर रहा है, तो शी इज़ वेरी लाइक ऑलवेज लाइक सेइंग पीपल अबाउट माई वर्क। एक बार पता चल गया उनको तो पता चल गया, सबको पता चल जाएगा फिर।
लाइक अभी there's one question मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ, आप बहुत डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्री से एंड वेरी फेमस ओवर देयर, तो आपके घर वाले किसी के सामने तारीफ करना है तो दे बी लाइक यू नो ऐसा लाइक हाँ आपको वहाँ जाने का है, शुड आई टेल जुबैर टू गेट इट डन, और लाइक फॉर अंकित मोर लाइक यू नो आपको उससे बात करना, यू वांट टू मीट, मैं बोलूँ क्या अंकित को डू दे डू दैट?
होता है यस
होता
तो पहले ऐसा होता था, डैड को पता नहीं था मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, क्या जॉब कर रहा हूँ, यू नो हाउ एम आई अर्निंग और यू नो व्हाट एम आई डूइंग। तो जैसे उनको पता चला, यू नो जब उनके दोस्त बोलना शुरू करे कि भाई आपका बेटा ये कर रहा है, यू नो आई सॉ हिम ओवर देयर विद दिस सो एंड सो पर्सनालिटी, आई मीन उनके साथ बैठा हुआ था, यू नो वीआईपी सेक्शन में था, ये था वो था, देन ही रियलाइज दैट यू नो ओके दिस गाय इज डूइंग समथिंग, मतलब इंडस्ट्री में नाम कमा रहा है, कुछ तो कर रहा है बंदा, कर रहे दो इसको। सो दे वर इंसिडेंट्स अगेन, यू नो बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स यू नो आस्क हिम कि भाई आई एम प्लानिंग टू गो विदाउट फैमिली, यू नो विद फैमिली सम यू नो गिव मी a nice restaurant name or something like that. तो he'll be like, मैं जुबेर को बोल देता हूँ, आप बात कर लो वहाँ पे। And I'm like, all of a sudden I'm getting a call from my dad's friend, okay, not even my friend.
Okay.
And he's like, जुबेर बेटा मैं अंकल बात कर रहा हूँ, यहाँ जाना है, मिल जाता ना टेबल? Okay, अंकल जाइए मिल जाता आपको। It happens, you know, the moment they get to know कि okay, my son or daughter, you know, is in so and so industry and doing something, then of course उनको भी थोड़ा proud रहता है that you know, okay, let them know, you know, कि what is my child doing, तो yes.
आपके साइड से
मॉम एंड डैड तो लाइक उन्होंने कभी बोला नहीं है कभी किसी फ्रेंड्स को कि लाइक दे नेवर लाइक आस्क फॉर फेवर, बट माई कजन्स मेरे भाई लोग बहन लोग इतने ऐसे हैं कि लाइक मतलब हमेशा पूछते रहेंगे, हमेशा लाइक दे ऑलवेज नो कि लाइक हाँ इनके पास तो कुछ ना कुछ जुगाड़ होगा ही, बोल के जुगाड़ होगा ही
किसी ना किसी के साथ
तो लाइक मैसेज कर देंगे ये जुगाड़ करके दो मुझे, मैं पूछेंगे नहीं ये करके दो मुझे, चाहिए ही चाहिए ये होना, मीन्स किससे मिलना है मुझे मिलना है, आएगा मम्मी मैं जाऊँगा बोल के मिलने, मुझे मिला बोल कर, उनका वीडियो शूट करवा के बर्थडे विश करवाना है अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड के लिए या फिर किसी के, वो भी करवा के दो आप, वो भी करवाना पड़ेगा मुझे, वो भी किया हुआ है मैंने। फिर जैसा भुवन बाम आया हुआ है लाइक ऑफिस में आरबी से, तो वो कजन्स वजन्स को उधर भिजाया भी है मिलने के लिए सबको, वो भी करते हैं लोग। मीन्स आई हैव मेड माई सो मेनी ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स गो एंड मीट एक्टर्स लाइक बिकॉज उनकी रिक्वेस्ट आती है, उनके फेवरेट्स रहते हैं कि मिलाओ मिलाओ मिलाओ, एंड वो तो होता ही है साथ में, लाइक वी आर एसोसिएटेड पार्टनर्स विद लॉट ऑफ मूवीज ऑल्सो, तो वी कीप गेटिंग लॉट्स ऑफ टिकट्स एंड ऑल टू एनी थिएटर, एवरी थिएटर ऑफ इन एनीवेयर इन इंडिया, तो आते रहते तो लाइक कजन्स लोग भाई टिकट, इसकी टिकट मुझे दो, उसकी टिकट चाहिए ही चाहिए, टिकट कूपन चाहिए, तो उसके लिए भी पीछे पड़ जाते हैं, मतलब मूवी रिलीज हो अंकित भाई करेंगे सब, करो करके तो
अंकित जस्ट लेटिंग यू नो
समझ गए
मेरी फेवरेट प्रियंका चोपड़ा है,
पर वो इंडिया में नहीं है ना।
अरे तुम जुगाड़ कर लोगे तुम।
अच्छा देखा ऐसे रहता है, ऐसे होता है।
We also want to get a photo click with Katrina Kaif. So
Katrina Kaif is one of the very good actors. एकदम
that's why we want to get a picture with us.
No, I'll make sure something happens. कुछ जुगाड़ होगा।
I'm sure Salman would agree to it.
है ना सलमान? Surely.
So, like now we are talking about how people see you as a resourceful person because they see what hard work you do and how you are known in the industry. But you know, people usually there are some people who just say that ये क्या सिर्फ फोटो लेके डाल दिया, and then they'll just tell that इसमें क्या hard work है, just meme का crop करके डाल दिया.
yes.
So what do you have to say to those people?
So I think they will always be a set of people in industry or you know in the world, no matter how good you're doing, they'll always find it bad. So I realized that you know when I was growing in the whole journey, for me, I believe I don't have a destination, you know, because that's when you know it motivates you to keep going every single day. The moment you know you decide कि हाँ मुझे ये करना है, यहाँ के रुक जाना है, उसके बाद excitement खत्म हो जाता है. So I don't want to do that. So when that journey is happening, you know, you will realize and you will come across a lot of people who will not like your work no matter what you do. तो लोगों का मतलब काम है बोलना अरे फोटो लेके डाल दिया, इसमें क्या मेहनत कर रहा है. कितने के लोग मुझे मैसेज करते थे जैसे कि अरे ओ माय गॉड यू गो टू ऑल फैंसी प्लेसेस, यू गो टू ऑल फैंसी इवेंट्स एंड ऑल, यू मीट यू नो ऑल बिग सेलिब्रिटीज एंड ऑल, न्यूज़पेपर्स में आ रहा हो, मैगजीन्स में आ रहा हो, ओ माई गॉड मुझे भी करना है, यू नो इट इज़ वेरी ईजी. So I message them, you know, come step into my shoes, you know, be me for one day, and then we'll talk about it. बोल के बोलता हूँ. So it looks very easy on social media. I think that is, I would say थोड़ी सी गलती हमारी भी उसमें, because we try to portray only good things about, you know,
Positive things.
positive
right,
things about.
Right.
Positive is again, but only fancy things about, you know, blogging. So they fail to understand how much hard work is going behind it. So, you know, the moment we start showing that, then they realize कि okay, बंदा मेहनत कर रहा है. So it's then, you know, I realized that, you know, let us show that part also. And that's one of the reasons why every now and then, you know, I start uploading about behind the scenes, BTS and all, कि हम ये कर रहे हैं, हम वो कर रहे हैं. You know, I've been awake for 24 hours now. I haven't slept because I'm editing videos or clicking pictures or, you know, attending meetings and all. So that I wanted to show and I started showing that. But again, as you said, there'll always be people, you know, who will always say that, कि भाई बहुत easy है, आसान है. But नहीं है, मेहनत लगती है.
Totally agree with him. Like ऐसा for me also, like RVCJ, like people देखते हैं, meme बन जाता है, video बन जाता है, like they see the content, they see the final output of the thing we show them.
Yeah.
उसके पीछे जो बनता है, like for us YouTube videos we have a whole production house. तो 3 दिन तक सोता नहीं है एक एडिटर जो अपनी बीवी को घर पे बीवी वेट कर रही है और 3 दिन तक ऑफिस में बैठा हुआ रहता है और वो एडिट करता है. उनको पता नहीं चलता है, लाइक नो वन नोज कि लाइक वो 3 दिन रात में पूरा दिन रात मेहनत करके उसने वीडियो एडिट करके तुम्हें देखने के लिए रखा है. यू आर एबल टू सी दैट बिकॉज ही couldn't go to home for 3 days. And people don't know that. Because we don't show that. Means जो दिखता है वही उससे जज करेंगे लोग कि यार ये तो वीडियो बन जाएगा, वीडियो है लाइक मीन्स ईजी है, ये शूट करना है, बस ऑडियो डाल दिया खत्म, म्यूजिक डाल दिया खत्म, मीम डाल दिया, फोटो डाल दिया. पर बैक एंड में देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, नॉट ओनली फॉर मी, फॉर हिम ऑल्सो. पिक्चर लाइक फॉर हिम फूड ब्लॉगिंग में पिक्चर्स दिखा देते हैं एंड मीन्स ही शोज द बेस्ट पिक्चर्स. ही विल बी क्लिकिंग लॉट्स ऑफ पिक्चर्स ऑफ द सेम थिंग, बट ही विल बी showing the best pictures and people won't be relating ki like he have a knowledge of that, he has gained that over particular years, he has that like 10 years of knowledge and उससे सीखा है कि ये particular angle में ये फोटो खींचना है, ये particular वीडियो डालना है ऐसा. तो it needs experience which people will not be able to know. तो that's what like people will say, बोलते हैं लोग इग्नोर करने का, वो उनके जगह पे वो सही है, हमारी जगह पे हमको पता है हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, बस उससे खुश रहो.
It's like they want to know the success story. आपकी स्ट्रगल क्या है उसके पीछे, बिहाइंड ऑल इन दैट. इवन इफ दे वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट इंडस्ट्री, इवन इफ दे आर वर्किंग फॉर इट, वो लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं कि अरे यार हाउ डिड दे डू इट विदाउट नोइंग कि व्हाट वाज द स्ट्रगल फॉर यू टू गो टिल दैट पॉइंट. आई एग्री.
You just said you both started in 2010 and you have come this far. And one thing I have seen that you have always portrayed your work as a brand. Hyderabad Food Diaries and Mr. HFD. Wherever I've seen, you have portrayed it as a brand and you have told it as a third, you know, like company, like you are working for that, something like that, right? And for you it's different. You started with RVCJ, full form is Rajnikant versus CID Jokes, and then you made that into a company. So how branding is very much important right now, like to grow. Like what did you think? Because मैंने जब आपका पहला first picture देखा इंस्टाग्राम पे when you put on 2017, right?
Yes.
तो उस पे लिखा था कि get ready for the, you know, Hyderabad's best food journey from Hyderabad Food Diaries and all. So I was like, from that moment you had in your head that, you know, you want to build this as a brand.
True. So, you know, whenever you have a blog or an Instagram page or a YouTube channel,
Right.
when you're doing, I personally believe that, you know, when you're doing something in the industry, make sure that you're giving your 1000% of it. Like, you know, मतलब जी जान लगा दो, so that, you know, people will turn back and see कि oh my god, that is him. So that's the kind of work that I want to do in the industry. Like, I want to leave a legacy, not just work behind. You know, people should remember me for the kind of work that I'm doing, the kind of brand that I've become, the kind of person I am. So when you have to do that, you will have to set yourself apart from everyone else.
Right.
You know, you cannot compete. I cannot compete with you or him or him or him. I'll have to compete with myself.
Right.
You know, I'll have to set my targets,
True.
achieve them, break them, again set bigger targets, achieve them, break them, and continue. Do not stop. It's only then, from a normal Instagram page, it becomes a brand. So that journey will make you a brand itself. You know, the moment you start showcasing your best of work, when you're keeping your best of food, वो automatically brand बन जाता है.
And you भाई जैसा आप
Like we started the page in 2010, like it was a normal page, jokes page. People like there were like big brands who used to come through someone else. The big brands used to come through someone else, third party. okay, for the starting initial 3 years, 4 years when it started growing, because we were not the brand, like you said. To become a brand, we had to do the good things. Like as you said, अच्छा काम करते जाओ. Like we had to promote it. We had to show like we are a good. We can make things possible. We have the audience. We have the creative people. We have the team. तो करते गए 2-3 साल करते रहे. फिर we change our name. रजिंगा में से CID जोक से RVCJ मीडिया किया 2015 में. We made that ताकि like brand के perspective भी change हो हमारे लिए कि like it's just not a jokes page. It's a brand which you have to come together with. So we changed the name. उसके बाद फिर like we started making creatives and all everything. Then we started doing work for brands through third party again, not directly. Then as our work spoke, as it went on to become very good hit, the brands started coming directly without any third party involved. They wanted to work with us. They wanted to like they started mailing us. They wanted to meet us. They wanted to like starting में ऐसा होता था कि like we used to go to them. Now what's happening is they take like time. They ask us like, are you free? So that's the journey which we have. Like it took around 7 to 8 years to build that. Like 7 to 8 years of journey and hard work we invested in this. Then we became a brand in that time.
लाइक चलते चलते डायरेक्शन मिल गया.
Yeah,
पहले आपको
ऐसा
पता
एक
नहीं
दिन
था.
में नहीं होता है कुछ भी. Like it takes a time. It's a journey to become a brand. And एक बार brand बन जाते तो फिर you need to live up to that expectation कि like you have to showcase that कि you are a brand. You're not just any other meme page or you're not any other person who can do. So you have to be.
That's actually very true. You know, I love the way he said. You know, आप जब एक normal Instagram page से brand जब journey में होते हो brand बनने के, that is only one part of it. And you know, once you become a brand, living up to people's expectations and maintaining that brand, quality is very important. So that is the bigger part of the story, bigger picture of the story. So that's where you as an individual and you as a blogger will have to step up and give your best every single day. तो तभी जाके वो मतलब आपकी proper branding होती है. People will know you. Brands will come to you instead of you going to them. So yeah, I think it's a journey which happens. We all agree to that.
Right, and when you become a brand, you have to look after a lot of things. Like you have to make sure that you don't do or you don't post anything which will hurt anyone. Because when you with the brand, a lot of things comes like, and you have to keep up to that. Like mess up ना हो कुछ भी ऐसा.
I mean, like, जैसा as we are talking about the journey right now, so hard-working journey. Was there any time in this journey आप लोगों के बाद कि आपको ऐसा दिखा कि यार इससे कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, छोड़ दूं क्या या रुक दूं या रुक जाऊं कुछ और कर लूं? Was there a time in both of you? Because I believe. Because
so when I started Instagram page, it was very new to me. And even I didn't have an idea of how to use a simple hashtag. That's how I started. And so when I got to know about the how it works, अरे followers आते हैं, likes बढ़ते हैं, people start commenting it, start sharing it and all. That's a very great feeling, that makes you glued to the application.
At the end of the day, it gives validation.
It does. And तो एक ऐसा वक्त आ गया था, while I was doing my blogging and everything. So I think I was around 6,000 or 7,000 followers and everything stopped. Till 7,000 I was like, oh my god, Zubair is going to be the king of food blogging. No one is going to touch him. Like, might be there are people, with big followers and everything in Hyderabad, but, let me reach there and, I'll show it to the world. Bolke, matlab, I was flying.
Okay.
6,000 followers and everything stopped. Followers are not increasing, no engagement, no likes, no one is commenting, no one is sharing, no DM. Then I'm like, what is this? And it continued for 4 months and I was stuck over there. And there was one time where I thought, let's close this page. It is waste of time. I'm unnecessarily, wasting my energy on this. So that time I was also working again. So I was like, bhai, job se aap waqt nikal ke aap ye sab kar rahe ho. Why do I need to do all this? Just enjoy the food, go to the restaurant, eat and have. No, that's what I thought. And I was almost about to close the page. Imagine Hyderabad Food Diaries getting closed at 6,000.
That's hard. Could not.
But then again, one of my friend, who suggested me to start an Insta page, she said, Ki Zubair, why do you want to do it? It's okay, people are not commenting. It's okay, people are not liking and all. You keep posting. Kitna time lag raha hai tujhe? 2 minutes, 3 minutes, आधा घंटा. Just do it, no? Let's see. Let's continue. So I did that continuously. And then, मैं करते गया. And then I realized that, there will be times like this where you will have those thoughts of, okay, this thing is not working with me anymore. I'll have to stop this. Let's not do it. It's when I tell people who are watching right now that, do not give up, because that's the time where you will have to buckle up and, start working double harder. You know, you'll have to like put in double the efforts. You'll have to put in double the interest in it. It's only then, you know, you will break that barrier and you will be like, okay, मैं करूँगा ये और मैं करके दिखाऊँगा. So I think that is one phase you will have to be like very strong. तो वो हो जाता है वो.
Right. For me, like when we started this page, it was always like we knew the potential, like कि Indian audience में है कुछ करना है बोल के. Like जब 18,000 पे थे तो एक ड्रीम था मुझे. सुबह एक आया था सपना कि मुझे 6 लाख आना है. मुझे 6 लाख मतलब 6 लाख फॉलोअर्स वॉज ए बिग थिंग. बिग मतलब किसी का 2 लाख 3 लाख ही था तब. मुझे 6 लाख में सोचा था मैं इधर जाऊंगा घूमने, उधर जाऊंगा, 6 लाख आ जाएंगे मुझे तो मैं बड़ा हो जाऊंगा बोल के. तो सोचा तो फिर हर दिन मेहनत करना था उसलिए, कभी गिव अप नहीं करना था. और 10 years हो गए लाइक RVCA को, एंड we never, there wasn't a single day when we didn't post anything. Like every day we have posted every meme, every day. There were 2 times like when my grandmother died and when my granddad died, and I still posted. I was there working for RVCA because I knew, I saw a bigger picture कि like I knew what potential RVCA had and I had to keep continuing because मेरा अकेले का नहीं, like there are a lot of people, my team working together and I can't let them down. So I had to show them कि like you shouldn't let them, वो सोचो ही मत कि ना लाइक बुरा टाइम चल रहा है, कुछ भी चल रहा है, बस चलते जाओ बस सब अच्छा चलेगा, बस यू हैव टू अचीव दैट. तो इसलिए बट मीन्स हाँ, देयर वर लाइक 2 times when my page got hacked also. Yes, my page got hacked.
Okay.
Facebook page got hacked.
Okay.
So I convinced them. I spoke to the hackers and I made fool out of them only. Like उनको ही पागल बना के ले लिया मैंने. उनको बना दूंगा, उनको हिस्सा दे दूंगा, पार्टनरशिप दे दूंगा बोलकर उनको ही मैंने पागल बना के ले लिया था. पर वो टाइम पे ऐसा लगता है कि लाइक ख़त्म हो गया, अब ख़त्म हो गया. अब लाइक यू डोंट सी रोड असाइड लाइक इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, लाइक कि क्या होगा बोलकर. पर वो लड़ना पड़ेगा तुम्हें, गिव अप नहीं करना पड़ेगा. वो डोंट हैव दैट गिव अप एटीट्यूड, डोंट लेट दैट क्रीप इन, जस्ट बी पॉजिटिव एंड keep going.
It is important to stay strong at moments like that
Yes,
because
yes,
I think what he said is very beautiful, you know, again, because people don't realize that there are a lot of things happening behind. You know, as I said again, it is important to deliver every single day. You know, I would give you a small example, the incident that happened with me. 2020 was the year, you know, where everyone knows, you know, how it worked. It's very sad, very bad. A lot of things happened in that year. So 2021 was, you know, something that everyone looked upon. Ki, okay, chalo, there's little hope, you know, things can get better. Let's start the new year, you know, on a very energetic and positive way. And first day, okay, January 1st, I'm sitting at my home. I'm like, you know, tired and shattered on after partying 31st night and all. First दिन, you know, पहला दिन January का पहला साल. I'm getting a call 10 o'clock in the morning saying, Zubir, please come down quick. And the moment I got up, my dad is, you know, getting ready. मतलब कपड़े पहन रहे हैं वो लोग, मम्मी इज गेटिंग रेडी. मैं बोला कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं, क्यों, मतलब आर वी गोइंग आउट. देन शी सेड कि येस माय सिस्टर एक्सपायर्ड. सो ऑन द फर्स्ट डे, यू नो, एंड आई वाज लाइक, आई डिडंट वांटेड टू स्टार्ट लाइक दिस, यू नो, आई डिडंट वांटेड टू start my 2021 like this, you know, where everyone is looking for hope, everyone is looking for, you know, a new start, a new beginning, and I'm starting my day like this, you know, the first day itself. तो उस दिन मैं 10 बजे घर से निकला, सुबह के 6 बजे तक मैं मेरे रिलेटिव्स के साथ था, मेरे भाई के साथ था, कज़न के साथ था. हम लोग, यू नो, ऑल द रिचुअल्स, वी वेंट टू दी ग्रेवयार्ड, सब कुछ हुआ, एवरीथिंग हैपेंड. यू नो, आई एम गेटिंग लॉट ऑफ कॉल्स दैट डे कि जुबैर कहाँ पे हो, इवेंट इज़ हैपनिंग, जुबैर कहाँ पे हो, शाम में आ रहे हो क्या, आर यू कमिंग, देयर इज़ अ डिनर प्लान. एंड यू नो, जब ये सब चीज़ होती है ना, यू हैव टू बी सो स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड यू हैव टू बी ऑन अ डिफरेंट लेवल ऑफ माइंड सेट वेरियन, यू नो, यू अंडरस्टैंड कि ओके, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई नीड टू कीप गोइंग because this is also important for me. Life doesn't stop just here. अगर मेरे साथ कुछ हो रहा है, मुझे इसको भी लेके चलना है. So that's what I did that day, you know. सुबह से लेके शाम तक I was at, you know, with my parents, with my cousins, you know, at the graveyard. Everything happened. In the evening, I'm with, again, you know, the blogging community, sitting, having dinner and trying to portray that I'm fine, I'm okay, and we will have dinner together and we will post about it, you know, let people know that, okay, the day has started, the year has started. So that's where, you know, you'll have to be very strong and keep going. That
Always
keep
look
going
at the
is very important.
Your followers will never know this happened, but now you know.
They'll never know. Yes, I never told this to anyone. You know,
exactly.
a lot of people asked me that day also, where were you the whole day? They were thinking, अरे किसी लड़की के साथ डेट पे गया. और उनको पता नहीं पीछे ये सब हो रहा है. So you know,
I believe ये भी बाहर आना चाहिए because a lot of people who are struggling as well, younger people, younger generation, they give up so easily. And 2020 has been a year where we have seen a lot of young generation or young people giving up on their dreams and on a lot of things.
True.
So-
Happens. It's a part of the life, I would say. You know? But
Yeah.
again, you as an individual, how are you taking that, and what are you making, yourself out of it is very important.
Sticking on it is really important. वो तो है, बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है वो तो.
Okay, so what do you think in both of you? What was the one element that made you special while you were starting? One element ऐसा कुछ मतलब हाँ.
And also, if I can add something to this question, what is something that you would like to change from this industry right now, which is going on? You're seeing something which you don't like, or which you feel like should be very different. So just adding to the same question, आपके पास क्या special element है that you can bring on the table, and one thing that you can move out of table?
The best thing was we could relate with the people, with the Desi people. We wanted to showcase them the things which they can relate to, which happens in their daily life, trending thing, which they want to know. See, as the generation has evolved, people have stopped watching news. People have stopped watching newspaper, reading newspaper and all. They have stopped it. So now they want information. If they are getting the information in a funny way through memes, that's the best way which we can do. So we started implementing that, and we are doing that. Like कुछ फनी कुछ लाइक इन्फॉर्मेशन रहती है तो हम लोग माइंड में डाल देते हैं लोगों के, मीम के थ्रू डाल देते हैं, ऐसा करते ये होता है. दिस इज़ व्हाट वी आर डूइंग राइट नाउ, which makes us stand out from other meme pages or other platforms. Other than that, what we want to bring in, what change is that there are lots of youth right now who think that meme making or making meme or making videos is something all about using slangs, all about hurting religion or bringing the religion into the picture, dang memes and all वो सब. So it's not about that. You can just be random. You can make random memes, relatable memes, and you can still be funny. You don't need to hurt someone, or you just don't need to focus on something which can hurt anyone. You can, apart from that, you can do other things also and be funny.
True, very true. Zubair bhai.
I think in my case, for me, it was about the connect that I had with the people, my followers, is what made me special. Or what, that was one element that I felt that yes, this is something no other blogger can do. There were bloggers, when I was blogging, there were bloggers who had massive amount of followers, more than me, and I used to feel कि oh my god, okay, इसको इतना है, कैसा पहुंच गया यार, इतनी मेहनत कर रहा होगा. But then in the journey I realized that the kind of following that I have, the kind of connect that I have with my followers is extremely beautiful. People, they don't talk only about food in my DMs. They talk about their relationships, they talk about their problems, they talk about their achievements, they talk about yes, I graduated today, they talk about everything, and I go mad. That's one of the reason it takes me around 40 minutes, 1 hour daily to just reply to messages. It's because they connect with me that way. I think that was an element which made me set apart from rest of the blogging community. So that was one thing that I still love. People tell me, oh my god, you're awake till 3:30, 4:30, 5 in the morning, what are you doing? I'm replying you.
Very true.
So that is one thing that I still feel, and I don't mind keeping that element with me forever. And one thing that I really want to change is little thing that is concerning me right now is the trend, the way the trend especially the food blogging is going on right now. So what is happening is that people have started to take it in a very different way, wherein they feel that okay, blogging is only about clicking pictures and taking reels. I do not want that culture in Hyderabad.
Saying you have not entered into reel culture yet.
Absolutely not. I haven't made a single reel yet.
Yes.
Because I don't want to get into that. Because the reason is because the moment you get into easier things, you try to lose your focus on the bigger picture. Okay, oh my god, मुझे views मिल रहे हैं. Agreed, मिल रहे हैं views. I don't say no to that. Probably people are commenting, sharing, you're getting views and everything. But look at the longer picture. Tomorrow, if at all, if I ask you, what knowledge do you have about this particular dish? Yeah. You will have to explain. You'll have to इसमें it's a Jamaican rice. These are the spices. This is where it evolved from. This is a history about it. You cannot say knowledge that I have is मैं meme बना सकती हूँ, sorry, or मैं reel बना सकती हूँ. मुझे वो नहीं चाहिए. I want people to understand about food. I want people to connect to the food. Food is a very large subject. So that's what I want to change. I want people to get little knowledgeable about food, so that will, you know, make the industry more higher on when it comes to the quality side.
That's how I think you'll gain respect also in front of people. When
absolutely, you know.
start talking technical things,
Exactly.
you will obviously.
You know, you cannot say, you know, you're sitting with all the GMs, or, you know, you're going to a star property, having a, you know, good conversation of food. You can't say कि हाँ मैं इसको 3 filters में edit कर सकता हूँ. You can't say that.
Yeah.
Agree.
So that's where, you know, people will get to know, okay, this is a different blogger and that is a different blogger.
Right.
So I think that is one thing that I really want to change.
And one thing is that you have started your journey and you are a one-man army, right? And RVCJ, whereas completely different, you are a team. So how is your journey like different? Like, was it very struggling from getting there to here, like being a one-man army? And we'll come back to you also, like how team helps and all, how team is important.
It absolutely is hard-working journey. I would say nothing comes easy to you, no matter how big or, you know, how big you're trying to become. End of the day, it is all about mehnat. You know, the amount of hard work that you're putting is matters a lot. Same was with me also when I started. You know, on day one, you know, people started criticizing me for the word Hyderabad Food Diaries. They're like, how can you use this? There's already another page. हाँ कैसा use करा तू? And I'm like, भाई, तू है कौन पहले? And what is wrong with my page? And then I got to know there's another page, you know, Hyderabad Diaries. तो तब मुझे पता चला कि there's another page the same name. You know, मेरा बस food आ गया बीच में. And then I didn't even know that time. Then I researched about it कि अरे भाई कहाँ पे क्या है कौन है बंदे. Then अभी ऐसा हो गया, you know, after so many years, we all have become good friends. Hyderabad Food Diaries and Hyderabad Diaries have become so good friends and all. So I think it comes, you know, it automatically comes the moment we start working hard. And nothing is easy. Nothing comes, you know, overnight. It's a journey that, you know, it takes a lot of efforts, a lot of sweat and blood, and also at the same time, you know, a lot of dedication and consistency. It's only then slowly things will happen.
True. आपके उसमें तो I believe Namich, Rajnikant versus CID jokes.
Yeah. For me, like we started with 2 people. Me and Shahid Javed we both started this journey. And जैसे से बोलते हैं like कि रास्ते पे चलते हो कारवा खुद ब खुद जुड़ता जाएगा. वैसे ही like we started with a small office like with 2 people. But our aim and our goal or vision was very big. Our vision is very big and we needed people for that. And when you have a big vision, when you want to conquer the world, you need to have people also, team, who can make you, help you, and you also help them. तो जैसे जैसे like 1 साल 2 साल में छोटे ऑफिस से बढ़ता गया. We brought a YouTube team also, production house, then memers. Like we didn't want any normal memers. We wanted a very good memer who make good memes. We wanted a team we have a team of 20 memers. We have a team of 20 people who make videos. We have a 10 team of like sales who look after sales and marketing. We have accounts team. We have all different team who look after everything because smoothly. एक चीज़ नहीं चलती है, बहुत कुछ चलता रहता है. It's not about just clicking something and means meme बना दो and all, ऐसा नहीं है. We have a video team, video बनता है, production house है, shooting होती है, means movie star, Bollywood. We are now associated with Hollywood movies also. So it takes a lot of team efforts and not just one person. One person can also do that, one person. But if you have a team, you can conquer a lot of things, lot of bigger things. So वही ताकि team helps a lot. Like one single person can't do anything, right? One single person can't do the video thing and all, everything, editing and all. He can't shoot the thing. He can't be in the picture and all. He can't do anything. So you need a team to like have that vision which you have already thought. You need to conquer that. So you need to build a team around it.
And I believe like-minded team होना बहुत ज़रूरी है ऐसे bigger vision के लिए.
Like the best thing about RVCJ was, and it also got in 2018. It also like top in India, top 10 companies who have very good friendly like atmosphere. So RVCJ was featured in that also because we have a atmosphere where it's all friendly. Like we never like if you come to our office and we sit around, it's like friends बैठे ऐसा लगता है कि like we interact, बात करते, knowledge gain करते, share करते, तो ऐसा चलता है. ऐसा नहीं sir नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, भाई
जैसे हमारा podcast
या भाई type, friends type. तो
I also see ये दो industry club होते हुए भी one of my favorite image that I can say is like this is one where Elaichi है. Elaichi is not in biryani but it is loved in chai. ऐसा करके no one likes the dare. And there's this Drake का template where it's like, you know, biryani कहाँ खाएगा, like this biryani no, this one yes. So clubbing of these two industries as well for promoting food, लोगों को बोलने के लिए कि
promoting food, like there are a lot of food related brands also which come to us to promote. So it like we do that also. So होता रहता है like big club होता रहता है, तो आगे भी जाके करेंगे कुछ for surely.
सुन रहा हूँ बिजनेस कार्य मेरा
आगे जाके भी करेंगे.
बिजनेस कार्य बंदा मेरा
मैं कोलैबोरेशन का देख रहा हूँ, ये बिजनेस खा रहे हैं बोल रहे हैं.
Like seeing some Hyderabadi food memes and all, like बिरयानी कहाँ की पसंद, यहाँ की पसंद. It's a very controversial topic हुआ था बिरयानी के ऊपर, तो सब बिरयानी अच्छी है.
people get very emotional when you say biryani.
Yeah. But we can always compare with other states. दूसरे स्टेट की बिरयानी के साथ like there's always a big fight.
There's no comparison.
Comparison. People try to compare sometimes. Like,
Triggered, people are triggered.
निकल हो जाते हैं हैदराबादी लोग.
No way.
कैसा कंपेयर कर दिया?
I have few friends who said दिल्ली में बिरयानी अच्छी मिलती है. Like भाई
कैसे बोल दिया? कहाँ पर खाया तूने?
भाई
यहाँ पर?
दिल्ली की बिरयानी कहाँ से अच्छी
यहाँ
होगी?
पर हम लोग खिलाएंगे.
I'll share a small incident which happened with me. तो बॉम्बे में था, ठीक है, 4 साल पहले, and my training was going on, so I went there. I was working that time and all. 5 years back, yes. तो अब वो मुझे अंदर से हो रही है, बिरयानी कहाँ मिलेगी, बॉम्बे में अच्छी वाली बिरयानी. तो एक फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन ही सेड कि जुबैर वहाँ पे जहाँ बिरयानी मिल जाएगी, खा सकता है.
बॉम्बे के?
या हाँ, पता है तो गया, जाके रेस्टोरेंट में बैठा मैं, और उसको बोला एक चिकन बिरयानी लेकर आ. उस पर लिखा हुआ था हैदराबादी चिकन बिरयानी. मैं खुश हो गया देख के, मतलब अंदर से लड्डुआँ फूटना शुरू हो गए. लाइक मैं मतलब अंदर मरफा कर रहा हूँ मैं, आज आन दो बिरयानी, आन दो आज. तो बैठा हुआ हूँ, बिरयानी लेकर आया बंदा, वो सब ही हिड इनसाइड अ बाउल एंड ही गिव इट टू मी. अंदर से धुआं निकल रहा है एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स. मैं बोला ओ माय गॉड, ये तो मतलब क्रेजी हो गया. तो डोंट आई लिफ्ट द लिड ऑफ इट, और मैं देखा एक कटोरा रखा हुआ है, देयर इज अ बाउल, देयर इज व्हाइट राइस, देयर इज 1 चिकन पीस, ऊपर से ऐसा कलर डाला हुआ है, और उसके ऊपर 1 स्लाइस ऑफ अनियन, और बीच में घुसी हुई है मिर्ची. और मेरे को बोला सर हैदराबादी चिकन बिरयानी. मैं उसको देख रहा हूँ, वो मेरे को स्माइल कर रहा है. अब मैं समझ में नहीं रहा गाली दूँ या क्या करूँ इसको मैं अब. But then yes, again, होता है बिरयानी की, the moment we talk about biryani, a lot of things happen. But again, me as a blogger, I would not say that because, especially as a food blogger, because every city, I believe, has its own charm. When it comes to food or, the vibes of the city, every city in India is that way. मतलब हर शहर में आप कहीं भी जाओगे ना कहीं पे कुछ ना कुछ आपको मिल जाएगा.
अलग palette है
I
हम
used to
लोग
love vada pav in Bombay.
Right.
मुझे हैदराबाद में कहीं नहीं मिले वैसे. मैं भी तड़पता हूँ खाने के लिए. वहाँ की चाउमीन जो मिलती है ना, रोड साइड जो बंडी पे बंदा बनाता है ना, क्रेजी स्टफ. वो हाजी अली का फलूदा जो मिलता है, माइंड ब्लोइंग. तो यहाँ नहीं मिलता है वो सब.
Food is a very subjective
Yes,
thing.
very subjective thing.
इनको पसंद है, शायद मेरे को सेम चीज़ पसंद है.
True. People love gulab jamun and jalebis and all. They go mad. मैं खाता ही नहीं, मैं टच ही नहीं करता.
Very subjective thing.
But अगर if I want to make one thing clear यहाँ पे, no offensive to the vegetarians here, vegetarian बिरयानी कोई नाम की चीज़ नहीं है. Just making it clear. I want to hear
What
it
do
from
you have
you.
to say about it?
What do
आप
you
क्या-
have to
yeah.
say?
So okay, let me keep it. Okay, people who are watching, listen to it. Okay, this is coming from Hyderabad Food Diaries. Okay. For me, vegetarian biryani is better than chicken biryani. Yes. Yeah, you heard that. You absolutely heard that.
Did you just say that?
Was it a
I'll tell you
meme?
why. I'll tell
Was
you.
it a
No,
joke?
It is not a meme. It is not a meme. It is the reality. I'll tell you why. Because जब मटन बिरयानी बनती है ना, the way it soaks the masalas and everything, when you cook it on dum, the flavors come out beautifully. I mean, there is no comparison when it comes to chicken, mutton, and veg. Mutton will always win no matter what. I can guarantee you.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Fine.
Cool.
Yeah.
Now
Cool.
when it comes to chicken, chicken and veg biryani, what I feel, chicken में there are certain parts of the meat which do not absorb the masalas and all. When you do marinate it and keep it aside, or when you start cooking it on them and all, वो absorb नहीं करता है, वो soak नहीं करता है. The remaining part, little here and there pieces and all, and the rice, it soaks it very well. But when it comes to vegetable biryani, every single vegetable in the biryani soaks it. और आप जब खाते हो ना, उसका मज़ा अलग रहता है. So if you actually had a good vegetable biryani anywhere, I personally feel that way, कि हाँ, this is better than chicken.
Right.
For me, mutton is always there.
Yeah, you're comparing chicken biryani and
Chicken, okay.
right,
yes.
cool.
Okay. Because mutton biryani is always.
Always, any damn day. Yes.
खाना है बिरयानी अब तो.
Any good place, why is always the best person. Again.
I'll keep messaging him out.
Okay, so on this note, I'll ask you one last question which we ask. This is our signature question. So, what is your one piece of advice you want to give to the youngsters who are starting their own passion, let's say business, entrepreneurship, whatever it is? Only one piece of one that they can stick to it.
If it's about entrepreneurship and starting their own business, I would say, you know, you need a lot of patience. It is not easy to become an entrepreneur or a good businessman out of nowhere. It will not happen, you know, in 1 week or 1 month. It might take years for you to become that way. But one advice that I want to give is have some backup with you. So, you know, when I started Hyderabad Food Diaries, you know, when the journey was going on, I had a concept that, okay, I will become a brand in this, and to become a brand, I had to leave my job. So when I left my job, I had financial, you know, backup at my place. So I had something that, you know, I always like, backup tha mere paas. You know, I always had ki if at all this thing doesn't work, I will have something to go back to. And I'm talking facts here. You know, I'm not talking just because अरे बस blogger बन जाना है. अगर you know food blogger नहीं बनता हो तो मैं fashion का बन जाऊँगा. Not that. आप बन सकते हो. No problem in that. But had little backup. You know, financial backup wherein you will not have to answer to your parents or your loved ones कि भाई मैं ये नहीं कर सका और मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं बचा अभी. अगर कल के दिन ये काम नहीं करता है तो एटलीस्ट यू हैव समथिंग, यू नो, यू कैन स्टार्ट विद दैट मनी, यू कैन स्टार्ट समथिंग एल्स. सो आई थिंक वन एडवाइस इज दैट यू हैव लिटिल, यू नो, फाइनेंशियल बैकअप that will really help you, and I'm talking facts.
Right. And bhai, aapke
For
taraf
me, I would say, like he said, he's very right. Backup is very important. Apart from that, if you're interested in something, if you have passion for something, and if you have good support with your family and friends, then go for it. Just go for it and keep working harder and go for it, and don't stop. Don't give up on your dreams. Means if you are passionate and you are different from others, तो करते जाओ, होगा, में मिलेगा, सक्सेस मिलेगा. मीन्स रोको मत अपने आप को. मीन्स कुछ अप एंड डाउन्स आएंगे, आते जाते हर एक बिजनेस में आता है. ईजी नहीं होता है एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. व्हेन यू वांट टू बिकम एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, तो इट डजंट हैपन ओवरनाइट. It takes every single night of work, hard work, and you need to have vision, you need to have working people, you have to have lots of things going together. So that doesn't happen every single day. Some days are bad, some days are good. So karte jao, like, and luck will favor you.
Right. Okay, so on this inspiring note, let's end this podcast, and I would like to thank Iron Hill Cafe for, you know, providing us with beautiful location and beautiful food that we're gonna have now.
That food is, you know, that Sheikh especially is inviting me from the time.
Yeah.
Zubair Aja. Now I'm gonna
And
dig into it.
Also, lovely cameraman team, Azam. So thank you so much,
Really
and
helpful, thank you.
thank you so much both of you for coming on to
Pleasure
board
is
and
ours.
having-
Making this come true.
Yes.
A long-awaited interview coming through for us today. Big day.
I think it's just the start. I think, you know,
I'm happy.
Oh,
even I'm really happy. It's just the start for you people. I pray and I hope that you all go a long way. Today it's only two of us. Tomorrow it's going to be Katrina and Salman Khan sitting here.
hopefully. and that is some place where you suggest us.
Oh, yes. See,
Like,
see,
it's a very good journey.
we already are collaborating.
Yeah, we are doing it. We'll keep doing it.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Take care. Okay, another, you know, one thing I want to say is that a huge shout out to that people standing over there, there, and also there. The Wonderwork Films, you know, they're doing absolutely brilliant job. They're into advertisement and also wedding, you know, photography and pictures and videos and everything. So, you know, the description is going to be there. The, you know, the Instagram page, everything is going to be there. If at all you have any requirement, ping them, they'll help you out.
Friendliest crew.
friendliest crew.
Literally
when,
friendliest crew.
Yesterday, when this got, you know, committed, I called Azam and I was like, I have to do this, and he was like, okay bhai, let's do it. He came to our house, we came to the location, and all the setup and everything was done. Thank you so much.
That's so professionally. Thank
Thank
you so
you.
much.
And also, before ending, I would like to give you some gifts we bought. I'll just get that, right? Yeah.
He got in the podcast once. एक बार जब उन्हें आए थे उन्होंने बोले थे एक बार he was trending on Twitter. But he didn't know the reason also he was trending on Twitter. So
I was
इसके
in
बाद he'll
Bangkok.
again start trending on Twitter.
I was in Bangkok.
कटरीना के
Trend हुआ था मैं. Top 2 पे था मैं.
Oh shit.
Because bad reasons.
This is for you.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so
already
much for
guessed
this.
the
Yeah,
section,
wait, like लग रहा है मुझे क्या है?
Well, this is for you, and I believe.
Thank you.
Just make sure you cover this angle of bicep. भाई से बाहर हो.
Thank you.
Cool, Chaliye, pleasure. Let's have food now.
Let's have food.